What do I got? I got something else that's kind of funny, actually. You might laugh if you realize I bought this thing and realize that, oh yeah, why the hell did I buy it? Because this is one thing I absolutely do not need. You'll know why in a second. See this? It's a butterfly knife. Well, you think it's a butterfly knife, but if you flick it open, it's a butterfly comb. Now you're gonna laugh. The reason why. What the hell, man? A comb? I get it like this. Oh, there we go. Oh, look. See, maybe I do need it. I could. Yeah. Well. TJ Maxx, $3.99. I thought it was funny. It was in the men's section. Like, really? You can flick it. I don't know how to freaking do this. Like, make some sound effects, whatever. But it's pretty. It's all aluminum, anodized aluminum. It's got a little. It's not illegal to comb. I don't know if. I know butterfly knives are illegal in Canada. I don't know who makes this. There's some little fancy little skull on there. And there's absolutely no markings. It came in a fancy box. And I'm sure if I look online, I'll be able to find it somewhere. I thought it was fun. I was just flicking it open. I've had real butterfly, or somewhat real, I guess, made in Japan. Crap. When I was younger. Actual butterfly knife with a blade on it. It's totally illegal in Canada for some stupid reason, because I don't really understand why a butterfly knife is illegal in Canada, because, you know, you're in a fight and you're, whatever, like what's the difference between a fixed blade knife and a freaking butterfly knife? The same thing if, apparently in Canada, too, totally off topic here, but if you have one of these knives and you're able to, like, just swing it open like that, it's illegal. A spring-assisted knife is also illegal, which I don't know why, like, what the hell, like, who thinks up this shit, like, oh, I'll make a spring, because, you know, it comes out in 1 second, like, you know, like, really? Come on now. Makes no sense. I would think a spring-assisted knife would be great for work, to click, okay, you do some work, but how many people these days are going around stabbing people? Don't get me wrong, I don't know the statistics on stabbings, but it doesn't seem like millions of people are dying from spring-assisted knives. I mean, I've watched these, like, horror movies where people get stabbed with kitchen knives because it's in their kitchen. What? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I thought this was cool. Just so many, like, like these stupid things. It's a Smith & Wesson, made in frickin' probably China for all we know. And it was what? A 3-pack for like $7.99 for these little things? Like, Tractor Supply. I buy them because I destroy these things faster than I can get them. And I find they're all too sharp. Like, it's like, what do you mean too sharp? If you're using it for a box cutter, you just get packing tape open. You don't need something to cut your finger off. But they come in handy. So I also hate these things because they're a notorious biatch to hold on to. They're just stupid. You gotta have, what, 5-year-old hands to, like, work this thing? Like, yeah, okay, they need to be about this much longer. They always make them like, oh, tiny little pocket knife. Like, I want a thin pocket knife like this. But if you made it an inch longer for us people that have sausage fingers instead of little, like, 2-year-old hands, it might be of more use. Even if the blade was the same size, it's a bigger handle. So anyway, that's my rant and rave. That's the end of my video. Wow. Go out there in the street and comb everybody's hair. The butterfly ninja with a comb. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and toodles.